Today we're going to be looking at this smart toilet. Let's go and do the unboxing for the first time. I already cut this open, so let's see what we get. Alright, so first off we have a remote control with a bracket. Let's set this on the side. We have the instruction manual. This is a template for you to measure out your area, I guess. And here is the toilet. Let me go ahead and take it out and come right back. All right, so here you have the toilet out of the box, kind of. The back here, we have the water line and the power cable. Let's go ahead and open it up to see what's inside. Okay, so we have another box in here. Let's go ahead and see what's inside this box. Alright, so here we have the donut for the bottom and mounting hardware. Including batteries for the remote. So I think. Alright, so here we have the final installation. It took me about 3 hours to install just because I needed to run power to it. As you can see there, that was not there before. I had to run that. And that's why it took a little bit longer. Other than that, it's a pretty straightforward installation. The only difference from my regular toilet is that if you can see here, it does have these brackets that you gotta put in each side of the main dump bracket. And that's just to secure the unit on the sides. So that's it. So let's go ahead and test it out. So let's go ahead, as I'm walking in, it will open up, as you can see there, automatically. And then you have the remote here with a nice bracket, easy to install as well. And if you want to lift this space up, really simple, you just kick the bottom here, press it in, and there you go. And then when you walk away, it would actually flush as well on its own. So let's step here for a couple of seconds and you're gonna see. Alright, so there we have it. It's closing, the top closes, and then you're gonna hear flushing. Alright, so we're back in now, and a few things that I wanted to point out is that it has a heated seat as well, so you can actually change the heat right through the level of the heatness by, let me see which one is it, seat temperature, this one right here. So you basically press here, that'll be normal, warm, and really hot. Not really hot to burn you, but the hottest point. Also, it has a blower to dry, and as well as the cleaner. Where is it? Let me show you guys. Let me lift this up first. And if we press, which one is it? This one. As you can see, that is just to clean it. And I cannot activate this because you gotta be seated and the sensor has to be engaged. Obviously, because if it turns on like that, then it's going to spray water outside and you don't want that. So that works pretty well. Alright, so this knob here, it has different functions on the side. And that's basically, if you're using the nozzle to spray water up, then you can actually adjust the where the nozzle is pointing. And you can also use this here to basically flush it as well. And then back to the remote. Again, really simple to use. It's everything, every function is actually labeled on it. Again, the dryer, and even the dryer, I can't turn it on now because obviously I'm not seated, so it won't sense that nobody's on it, so therefore it won't turn on for safety reasons. But you can also adjust the heatness, how hot you want the air. So overall, this toilet is actually pretty cool. Something that I didn't know I needed until now, because it's just awesome being able to just walk in and not having to lift the seat up is awesome. So for that reason, highly recommend it. Quality is really good, really well designed, and the way it came in package was really solid to avoid any type of damages.